Yeah! Let's see if you guys will light up for one of these fireworks. Okay, I'm gonna tape you in the dark when it goes off. Wow, all right. Hey, you guys lit up pretty good there. Matt?
Okay.
See you, Matt? What are you, second grade Matthew? All right, we're gonna get all three of you lit up.
Hi there. This is my sister Kayla.
Yep.
I like to make ugly faces at her.
Okay, that's enough taping.
What did you do? What is it supposed to be?
Hello.
Something to fit on my face.
I see ya. Hey. Hey, Mama.
Hey, over there. No.
See if they light up. That was a good shot.
Come over to my right here now.
How you guys doing? Why? Is that your better side?
No, them, so they can yell on this here. No, not you.
That was a good one.
Oh, dude, get this one.
Steven, you could have got that one.
Ah.
No, I meant on our faces. This turned out to be a pretty good show, man.
It's all right.
Maybe tomorrow we can sleep through that hole again.
Sleep in the hole?
See?
See through the hole?
Whoa!
What hole?
That's a good one. That was a good one.
In the steps over there? Yeah, all right. I think there's one Greek-speaking person here.
I don't know. Opalakya, opalakya.
Another one!
Oh, Palikala!
Oh, Palikala!
Come on, Regamisu.
Watermelon! Steven, look at us when they light up.
All right.
Learned that one in Greece, man, 4 years ago.
I don't know. Did I make it up?
Huh?
Was that not even a real?
Woo! That's pretty accurate, I think. Let's not play this for anyone at home, though.
Okay.
Those come down fast.
I tried to pull it out of here for you. There you go.
That wasn't the one.
Woo! I'll pass this wonderful saying on to another family.
What's that?
Tonight. See, somebody's laughing already.
Okay, no more getting sand on it, right? It's a bit much.
Oh, they're burying them.
Edit that one.
Oh, I will have
Or
to.
what you can do is just, I want a clip of that. Can you edit like a, what was that, a 2-second clip?
Sure I can.
I want to put it on my computer.
Oh, I can.
Steven,
Infrared at Cape Charles Beach.
KBM Movies.
Yeah, I probably will eventually. Yeah.
What I'm seeing on the screen infrared or not?
Not right now.
No, that's
See, when I turn on infrared, it helps me zoom in on those people down there. Look, they're burying it. See the guy?
they're burying the lit ones, the already.
Yeah, the already lit ones.
Look at them, man. There's like 10 people down there. Oh, jeez.
I know. They have to run away after they light them. It's a big explosion down there. They're gonna light two at once. And they couldn't even get the other one off. Woo!
Don't even think about it. I know what you're plotting. I know what you're plotting. It ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. Yeah, okay, okay. That's gonna prove a lot. That's gonna prove a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Come on, you bums.
Where are the real stars? They're covered by the
Cloudy out here,
clouds.
Michaela. Oh, there's one. No, I see one.
That's the moon.
There's no. Sorry.
I see it.
You see it? Yeah.
Yeah, we do. I see it.
Oh boy. Pretty good show, man. It's been going on for about 20-25 minutes.
Not bad. Sometimes it's not about quality, it's about quantity.
Whoa, baby. That would be interesting.
What?
Two of those things just collided in midair before they went off.
So windy.
You want to get up and show me this?
Yeah. Woo! Got that one close up, baby. A little up, a little up. Matthew, Matthew. What are you, 4 years old? That's crazy.
It looks like she has like a, this is like a face mask here, sort of like a punter's face mask. Or
Yeah, she's a punter in the NFL. Ooh, that was totally out of focus, thank you. Woo! All right.
Wow. I fixed it. I look like a football player.
Wow, you do.
Well, it looks like you have, it looks like the two front ones look like a face mask, sort of.
Then this is the top helmet. These are the straps. Well,
Straps?
I don't know what the straps are.
Yeah, sure, the face mask.
If you take one of these, if you take one of these away, you have Joe Theismann's face mask.
Joe Theismann, Joe. Joe Theismann. Joe Theismann!
Yeah, can you believe he used to wear one bar? That's insane.
He was a quarter, that's why I thought he was a kicker.
He is insane. That's insane.
Yeah. Ooh, I can't see that. Hold on, let me turn on infrared. Who are you, Mallory? Ooh, wow, that was a big punch. The further you go, the less I see you.
I'm an NFL football player.
And that's all.
God, no. God bless Sean Taylor. May I have a moment?
That was nice, but it was kind of funny. Who's that? The infrared works as I get near. Sam.
Man, easy there.
It's Sam the fisherman and the catch of his life.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes.
Oh man, I'm getting a little pieces of things hitting me. Are they hitting you too? They don't burn. They're just like.
Did you get hit, Megan?
A couple of times, but.
Couple
not
times?
now.
Okay.
Yeah, something's falling on me.
Let's see if we can find any things on the beach from the fireworks.
Oh yeah, you're recording.
Can you see any? That's probably all seaweed.
Whoa! Although you can smell it. I feel bad for the people that
Bye.
Callie home.
Oh.
She was done
done
after 15 minutes. Yeah, I did.
Okay, because I went back. I
I
walked
closed
up
it down, but I don't know.
It's wild. It's pandemonium. Boo. Lightsaber. Lightsaber. You got it under control, lightsaber, yeah. Everybody's here. Matt's nipple. What are you laughing at?
Not sniffle.
Matt's nipple? Oh, I'm laughing at that too.
Jolly good show.
I'm glad they're here.
That was a dang jolly good show. Hey! Ow!
Yeah. No, which one of
I
the
told
swallow
you.
or something? What is that kind of bird?
Karen go to bed?
Which our bird? He's all. No, she walked down.
He is pretty confused.
She walked down with. Was it her aunt? Yeah, her aunt.
Godparents?
Grab a.
Hey! Land, darn it.
There you go.
Is that your guy's bird? He comes around?
Yeah, he sings to us.
Oh, wow.
He sits here on this.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Good deal.
Thing.
All the sea.
You know, where are you? You said you had some
Are you
Coors?
recording the bird?
Yeah.
Did I say Coors?
How often does this happen?
Whatever's in there is what I got. That will do. Thank you, Chad. And then I've got in the fridge. I've got the stout. It's not stout. It's draft.
Uh-oh.
I suppose you want a bottle of it.
Well, Matt, you don't want to hurt yourself and go, uh-oh.
No, sir.
Tired woman being watched by the swallow.
You see their nest?
Where they have a nest up on.
Doors open. You better shut that door so that bird doesn't go in the house.
What the heck? I think I'm bothering him by whistling. Oh, and there he goes. What do you think about that, Mama?
I'm glad.
Hey, Mama, what you doing, Mama? Hey, Mama, shake your booty, Mama. Mama pajama.
Wearing my pajama.
Whoop-oo, whoop-oo, whoop-oo. You bring it out?
Oh, yeah.